Hey y'all, welcome to tonight's edition of Hey Gmo, what's for supper? I'm going to show y'all how simple this is. I found some pork chops on sale at Kroger's. Look at this pack for $5. Then I picked up a couple of bags of these, the stir-fry vegetables, and this is just going to be a one-pot meal tonight. So y'all come along and I'll show you what I'm going to do. All right, y'all, let's get this meal to going. I have already done some pre-prep work, and yes, this is going to be a one-pot meal for y'all, but for me, it's going to be a two-pot tonight because where we're at, we're on a work trip, and they don't have one pot big enough or one pan big enough where I can dump all this in and cook it. So, because I need some stirring room, okay, and some flipping room. So they don't have a pot big enough, one pot big enough. So I'm having to do them separately. But for y'all, get a big enough pot. You can dump all this in and you'll have plenty of stirring room. But welcome to today's video, y'all. For those of y'all that do not know who I am Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms. And those of y'all that do know who I am, welcome back. Let's get this meal to going. I got some pre-prep work done. This is not going to take long at all, y'all, because I'm sauteing some butter over here, or I'm melting some butter, because the pork chops, I have cubed them up, and I'll show you. I have cubed the pork chops up, and I want to saute them in a little bit of butter because I want that little crispiness to the pork chops first. Back here in this pot, I have got the 2 bags of the vegetables and the noodles. I have also made my own sauce. Y'all, I just grabbed things here. I grabbed things there. I tried to put the kitchen sink in it. Just kidding, y'all. Let me stir my butter here just a little bit before it burns. Here we go, y'all. Okay, now what we're going to do is I'll show you. This sauce is gonna go in both pans, y'all. I'm just gonna half it evenly. Okay, so let's see what all I put in here. I know I put oil, teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, minced garlic. I see it. Then I used a sweetener. Y'all, you can use honey. You can use pancake syrup. Y'all, I just had some on hand. Sugar-free pancake syrup. What else did I use? And a little bit of brown sugar. And then I got some little crushed red pepper flakes in here. As I cook it and season it and stuff, I'm not going to add any more salt because the soy sauce already has salt in it. I have to remember that every time I use soy sauce until I learn to start, hey, get the low sodium soy sauce, okay? I always forget. And then some pepper. So y'all, this is all, okay? And I've already tested it, y'all, and it's pretty doggone good. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get these pork chops over into this butter. It's going to fix the splash. Just like that. That's going to go in the sink. Where is my spatula? Oh, I need to turn this on back here. So let's go like that. And we're going to turn this one up. And we're going to try to get both of these done at the same time. Like I said, y'all use one pot. I just can't because they don't have a pot big enough, y'all. But by all means, I would have grabbed it and used it. Okay, so we're going to give these a little toss and a little stir and get them sauteed up. Little crispy. I'm sorry if my air fryer is in the way, y'all. I'm trying to work with what space I've got. I just want to just brown these. See that little crisp already from that butter? That's what I want, y'all. I want to do that first. I got to turn this one back up. Maybe it won't let me have both of them on at the same time, y'all. Because I can't get this one to come on. Oh, there it goes. You have to touch it just right. Okay, I got both of them going now. So this is all I'm going to do. Get that little crisp on there. give these a stir. These are eventually going to get mixed up together, y'all, because we're going to put the vegetables and stuff kind of like, see, I didn't have stirring room, so that's why I'm having to divide them. I'm sorry if you can't see this pot back here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put half of this liquid into the vegetables, just enough to coat them, y'all. There's half of that, and I'm just going to stir and coat. All these have got to do back here is just hang out for a minute, stir and coat. Y'all, these kitchenettes, these sweets, you can go by somebody's room and you can smell them cooking, and oh my gosh. And I know when they walk by my room at this time at night and I'm cooking, they're saying the same thing. Oh my gosh, what is that smell? I love being able to cook even when we travel. I love being able to cook because y'all, we can't eat out all the time. We just can't. For some reason, it's okay maybe one night a week or something, date night, that's fine. But, ooh, y'all, digesting it every single night is a different situation. All right, now I'm going to start adding like some pepper, no more salt. I'm going to pepper these really good. I'm going to let these crisp up just a little bit more. Let these hang out, stir, and then we'll get back and I'll show you what it looks like, okay? Y'all, I'm just going to throw this in there right quick. If I was at home using my frozen vegetables, I would have let them thaw out, and then I would steam my vegetables inside the vacuum seal bag in the microwave for like 3 minutes, okay? Let me back up. I let them thaw out, open up the bag, squeeze all the water out, then put them in the microwave inside that vacuum seal bag, steam them for like 3 minutes, get them back out, get the rest of the water out, and then bam, use my frozen squash, zucchini, green beans, peppers, same stuff that's in there, broccoli, same stuff that's in there. That's how I incorporate a lot of my frozen produce into our meals. Because a lot of times when you freeze vegetables and you thaw them out, they have that little bitter flavor. That's how I get rid of that bitter flavor, y'all. So, I'm just going to keep on rolling on, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all. I got these like I want them. I'm just going to pour in some juice right here. Or the marinade, whatever. Okay. I'm going to let that soak up just a little bit. And y'all, I think I may have room in this pot to actually pour the meat in here when it's done and still wind up with one pan, because the vegetables kind of shrunk down a little bit. And excuse me, I think I can do that once these get done. Y'all, if you want this a little thicker, by all means add you like a cornstarch slurry to thicken up this sauce, but I don't have any cornstarch. So, I'm just going to have to deal with it like this, okay? It'll still be good. So, I'm just going to keep doing this just a little bit. And I think when these hang out in this sauce a little bit, I am going to combine it into one pan. So, that'll be the next thing I do, okay? Look at there, y'all. I got it into one pan. Okay, I'm going to let this simmer just a little bit more. And yay, I'm excited. I got it back into one pan. I'm going to clean up a little bit, let this simmer a little bit more. We're going to plate it up. Then we're going to taste test. Okay? Y'all, do you miss those days when you could be playing somewhere inside, outside, and you'd hear your mama calling, "Supper's ready!" And y'all would just come running and run over each other and push and shove each other out of the way to see who was going to get to the kitchen table first. Guess what? Here you go. Supper's ready. Y'all, I paired this with a little bit of sesame seeds on top. Y'all, this meal came together so quick. I am pretty sure you can do this meal. I want to bite everything. I am pretty sure you can also do this in the air fryer. I'm pretty sure you can also do this in the Instant Pot. Y'all, this is a quick and easy meal to throw together on those busy nights, school nights, whatever kind of nights, and you've got extracurricular activities and all such as that, and busy. Here you go. Didn't take us long to put that together at all. Hot. Supper's ready, y'all. Go make you some of this. I will see y'all in the next video.